Hello everybody and welcome to the Crust community call. It's our third community call and I'm Lud, the global marketing lead for Crust Network. First of all, I want to say and wish you all a happy new Chinese year, also from all our team, and we wish you a lot of success in the new year. Well, today I brought again a lot of exciting news for you. For the technical part of our project, but also about our ecosystem. And I would say we just jump in and start with our technological progress. Maybe first of all, some status updates regarding our mainnet. So our mainnet is in stable operations for 5 months now. It reached a storage capacity of around 2,200 petabyte, which is provided by more than 8,200 individual nodes. And currently we are hosting around 146,000 valid files, which totally sum up to overall file size of 2.7 petabyte. Also for our mainnet, we optimized the file structure, the clearing mechanism, and the copy number mechanism to improve our decentralized storage market and order taking mechanisms. And also we have some exciting news regarding our parachains. So for our launch of the Crust Shadow network on the Kusama network, we completed 7 upgrades. For example, we upgraded the Rococo testnet parachain. We upgraded to the latest XCMP protocol, and also launched our guaranteed proof of stake and our meaningful proof of work mechanisms on Kusama. Also, a very important point is that the cross-chain storage X-Storage module has been upgraded to the latest XCMP protocol, and that basically allows all substrate-based parachains to send requests directly to Crust and also to pay for storage fees directly with their native tokens. And also regarding our onboard process with the Kusama parachain, we completed the CSM bridge to bridge your tokens from Shadow to Maxwell and the other way around. This will be activated as soon as our Crust Shadow network is running stable and smoothly on the Kusama parachain network. Yeah, in regards of our applications, we also have been very busy. For example, we worked on a new version of our Crust wallet, including a new interface, the batch account export, support to display all transactions, and many more features that increase and improve user experience. The release is expected to happen soon. I don't want to say this week, but latest next week we should see a release of the Crust wallet. Also, we added the functionality to add prepaid transactions to your storage orders. Usually a storage order lasts for 6 months, but with this new functionality on Crust apps, you can basically prepay for your storage fee as long as you want to. Also, our application Crust Files, our personal cloud storage application, was improved and optimized with many functionalities. Also with a new user interface, optimized reward distribution process, and we also implemented some anti-malicious user defense mechanisms to prevent bots. Then our NFT solution SwitchSwap officially changed to Crust NFT. And it also carried out a new version of its functional design. And watch this space, so because in the future we will see way more stuff happening to this area. Then regarding our ecological process, we saw integration of Ceramic, which provides us with the capability to process streaming data based on Crust Network and IPFS. We also added the Crust description in the Polkadot and Near decentralized storage network. And last but not least, on Subscan, you will be able to find now a storage calculator that takes real-time and on-chain data to calculate your storage costs for specific volume sizes. And the link you will see here, it's on our Crust Subscan page. Under the section tools, you will find the storage calculator. It's a pretty cool tool. Try it out if you want to. Here, for example, I have a screenshot that shows our storage calculator. So what you basically can do is you can input the file size. In this example, I chose 10 terabyte as file size. I add a budget of 1 CRU, and if I press calculate, I can get as result for how long I can store this volume on Crust Network. And in this case, for 1 CRU, which is around $6 at the moment, I can store 10 terabyte of data for up to almost 5 years. So that's a very cheap option to store your data, especially very secure in a Web3 environment. And just feel free and try it out. We also held different events, for example, hackathons with Davina, a Polkadot project, but also with other public chains like Near and others to promote the development of Web3 and the Web3 ecosystem. We sponsored those hackathons for outstanding integrations with our platform and our technology. We also started to distribute the Kusama slot option rewards. More in specific, we distributed the CRU rewards, and the CSM rewards will be distributed after the Shadow Network launched and runs smoothly. And we also took part in the Substrate 2021 year-end review, where we presented our achievements of last year and gave a short outlook for the upcoming year. We also were invited to take part in the HECO Global Demo Day in Singapore, where we participated in a roundtable forum, to spread awareness and to increase our reach of our ecosystem. And last but not least, CRU token was recently listed on La Token Exchange. This is our ERC20 token, and it's a CRU USDT pair. So the market is open, and feel free to move your tokens to La Token for trading activities. Then a small update of our Crust Files application. So in the meantime, we had a new activity with CoinMarketCap, where you could get a Crust Files premium membership for some CoinMarketCap diamonds. Currently, we have overall 42,778 users, of which 32,334 are premium users. And overall, there already have been over 40,000 CRUs distributed, and there are still almost 2 million CRU in the prize pool for you to earn and to win in one of our activities. So don't forget to sign up. Currently, it's only 3 CRU deposit. Even if you don't come from CoinMarketCap, you always can become a premium user, and with an invite code, it's only 2 CRU currently due to our Chinese New Year discount. And we also still have some very important information for our node operators and storage providers. Please be aware the S-Worker version 1.00 will expire soon, more specific on the block number or block height 3,333,333. And if you haven't updated your node to this block height, your pledge will be 0, which means your income will return to 0, and the node will expire, which means you will have to re-SRD your storage volume. So it's recommended to upgrade your node as soon as possible to avoid unnecessary economic losses. And all information regarding how to update your node you will find on this link, apps.crust.network, SWorker version. And recently we also had kind of an incentive program for upgrading to the newest SWorker version, where we paid out up to 15 CRU for each petabyte that was upgraded. Another very important event that actually will take place tomorrow. So tomorrow at 2 p.m. UTC, we will hold the Crust Community AMA in our Crust mainnet group. You will find our technical team, but also our marketing team available to answer all questions and to support you guys with any issues you have. So feel free to join our AMA tomorrow. And there also will be some rewards for questions. Yeah, that was it from my side so far. So please feel free to ask any questions for our open Q&A round. I'm going to give it a second and see if some questions going to pop in. Okay, I just received a question. How to join as a node? So it's a very interesting question. So first of all, everybody can join our network as node operator and storage provider at any time. We are a totally open and permissionless network, not like other storage providers, for example, that follow more centralized architecture. So as long as you have some free storage to provide, and as long as you have a CPU that's capable of TEE, Trusted Execution Environment, you will be able to join our network and to provide your free storage resources to our ecosystem. And as reward, you have two sources of income, basically. On the one hand, you receive blockchain rewards from our GPOS mechanism, but on the other hand, you also will receive fees for storage orders that will be picked up by your node. Is it mandatory to set ETH or BC addresses to getting airdrop or giveaway from premium Crust Files account? We just implemented this kind of functionality where you can add your or bond your Ethereum address or your Binance Smart Chain address to receive future potential rewards like airdrops or anything else. So far, I don't have any specific airdrop for this event, but for the future, if you want to take part in those airdrops, we recommend to bond your addresses, that you will be eligible once there will be some actions taking place. Okay, another user wants to know what are the features of the Crust Files premium user that I get from CoinMarketCap. So if you join the Crust premium via the CoinMarketCap event, you will receive a 1-year premium access to Crust Files, which means you get unlimited free storage for this time. And you also will be able to join all our reward programs, like our referral program, where you can earn 1 CRU per successful referral, but also you can join in our draws and other lottery prize pools, where our highest pool right now is around, I think, 12,000 CRU. Do you have any airdrops coming up next? Yeah, actually for our event tomorrow, our community AMA in Telegram, we will select 30 questions from the community, and we actually will reward these questions with some CRU. So feel free to join and ask your questions, and if you will be lucky, you can receive some free CRU as airdrop. And also our CoinMarketCap activity for the Crust Files application sold out very quickly. But don't worry, there will be a new round coming up in around 2 weeks where you can exchange your CoinMarketCap diamonds for a Crust Files premium membership. Nodes. Where can I find details for node setup? So if you're interested in setting up a node, feel free to wiki our documentation. Feel free to visit our documentation. It's our wiki. You will find a link to our docs on our homepage, and there you will find all necessary information, hardware requirements, and also the setup guide to run your node. I also got a question regarding the CoinMarketCap competition, and one user used its wrong address. So be aware when you join the CoinMarketCap activity that you use a Crust mainnet address. It starts with CT. For that, I would recommend to download our Crust web wallet, and there you can create an account really easily. For everybody who put in the wrong address, we will have to get back to CoinMarketCap, and we will work on a solution. But we are not just in charge by our own, because it's a shared activity by CoinMarketCap and our Crust network. So we will go in talks with CoinMarketCap and see what we can do. Okay. Yeah, another question regarding mining. How can I mine Crust? Yeah, as I already said, the best option to figure out how to mine Crust is by looking into our docs, our wiki. We have a specific node section there that explains everything from A to Z, how to run a node. It's quite easy. You don't need a lot of technical background to do so, but you will need a dedicated server, a machine, and some free storage and a TEE processor. But most Intel, for example, can do TEE, and should be pretty easy to find the proper setting for it. Okay, I give it one more minute to see if more questions pop in. Yeah, another question. When can we expect Crust to be listed on top exchanges like Binance or FTX? Yeah, good question. Obviously, we are working towards exchange listings, and we will make these informations public if there's something to announce. But at the moment, I can't give you more information regarding that. But if you're looking to trade CRU, I would recommend, for example, Huobi as tier 1 exchange, but we also are listed on decentralized exchanges like Uniswap, or if you don't want to pay for expensive Ethereum fees when trading or swapping your tokens, you can also buy on our own swap directly our main token right from Binance Smart Chain or Ethereum network. And with Binance Smart Chain, you barely pay any fees. All right. I think that has been it. And I will conclude this activity now, this event. Thank you all for joining. And thanks for all your questions. And yeah, don't forget to join our AMA tomorrow. And we will see each other next month for the 4th community call of Crust Network. Thank you.